Welcome to Galaxy Unpacked.
This year's Unpacked event is still being prepared, and while Samsung has not rushed to reveal details about the Galaxy S26 series launch date, tipster Evan Blass has stepped in to share new information. The leaker posted an image on the social media platform X that looks like an official invite for the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. It lists February 25th, 2026 as the date for the next Unpacked. A blurred section appears as well, which could point to the event location. Earlier reports suggest the event will be held in San Francisco, moving away from San Jose, which hosted the Galaxy S25 and S24 launches. This year, Samsung has pushed the Galaxy S26 series launch later compared to last year, which took place in the fourth week of January 2025. This delay is linked to supply chain problems, including a DRAM production shortage and rising component costs. For the lineup, Samsung is expected to keep its usual three-model strategy, featuring the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. As always, the main focus will be on the premium model because of its upgrades in camera, display, and overall design. Insider Evan Blass Leaks released the Galaxy S26 Ultra's official promo image showing the phone in its ultraviolet, also known as cobalt violet, signature color. Samsung began building excitement for its Unpacked event last week. As February starts today, the launch month for the Galaxy S26 series, leaker Evan Blass has shared the first official promotional image of the Ultra model in its signature finish. Like the previously leaked CAD renders, the official promotional image confirms the presence of a noticeable camera bump on the back. The sensor layout stays the same. Samsung has simply placed 3 large rings inside a raised camera island. The camera bump itself stands out. Its thickness is quite noticeable, which is why Samsung designed it in 2 layers. This dual layer structure helps the phone feel smoother while still being strong enough for daily use. The leaked image also shows the Galaxy S26 Ultra's corners. They appear slightly more rounded than those on the S25 Ultra. The position of the volume buttons and the side key also looks similar to what we have seen on earlier flagship models. The S Pen can also be seen next to the phone. This confirms that the stylus will continue in 2026, although there is no clear promise for 2027. The location of the S Pen slot has already become a point of discussion among fans. This is only the start of the official leak cycle, which is expected to grow in the coming days. Samsung is expected to introduce the new flagship phones on February 25 in San Francisco, with the first sales likely to begin on March 11th. We are bringing you official Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra renders, along with its key specifications. The device is presented in 2 finishes here, cobalt violet and black. The phone's overall design is not unexpected at this stage, since we previously shared CAD-based visuals. Still, these images provide a clearer view of the final model, and also display the device from different angles. The S Pen is clearly visible in these shots as well. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a flat display and a centered camera cutout at the top. The bezels surrounding the screen are thin and evenly sized. The power and volume buttons are placed on the right side, and they are the only physical controls on the handset. On the rear, there is a triple camera arrangement in the upper left area. These 3 lenses are aligned vertically and sit on a raised camera island. An LED flash is positioned next to them. The camera module stands out from the back, and the lenses add extra depth. This means the phone will likely wobble when placed on a flat surface. Using a protective case can help reduce this effect. The edges of the device are rounded, while the frame remains flat all the way around. These are not the only colors that will be available, but they are the only ones currently shown in images. Based on earlier leaks, the device is expected to launch in black, white, silver shadow, sky blue, cobalt violet, and pink gold. This is our first unboxing and hands-on experience with the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. From the moment we open the box, the phone immediately gives off a premium and polished impression. As the packaging opens, the device sits neatly on top, instantly highlighting its clean and minimal design approach. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a flat, box-style frame and sharp edges, staying consistent with Samsung's Ultra design language. The color finish appears smooth and matte, softly reflecting light without looking too shiny, which adds to the high-end feel. The back panel looks simple and elegant, with a clear focus on a refined and uncluttered look. Looking at the camera area, we see Samsung's familiar vertical camera arrangement. The lenses are placed separately, giving the phone a strong yet minimal appearance. The camera rings are slightly raised from the back, creating a professional and serious design style that clearly signals this is an Ultra model. From the sides, the phone feels solid and well-constructed. The buttons are positioned neatly and seem easy to access, while the flat edges improve grip and give the device a modern, industrial look. The thickness feels well-balanced, making the phone look durable without appearing too bulky. On the front, the display looks large, flat, and immersive, with extremely thin bezels. The centered punch-hole camera blends smoothly into the screen, keeping distractions low. Even without powering it on, it's clear that Samsung is focusing on a clean and immersive viewing experience, keeping everything simple and minimal. Similar to recent Samsung flagships, this unboxing highlights Samsung's emphasis on premium design instead of unnecessary additions. Overall, this Galaxy S26 Ultra hands-on unboxing gives us a close look at what Samsung may be working on. While this unit is not confirmed to be final or official, the design feels very close to a real flagship product. If this is the direction Samsung is taking, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a sleek, powerful, and highly refined Ultra smartphone. So, this was our first hands-on look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra. If this design carries over to the final version, Samsung could be setting a new standard for Ultra devices once again. Based on early details, Samsung Insider Ice Universe shared AI-generated renders of the upcoming smartphone. These images are only for demonstration purposes. The size, alignment, and color tones should not be taken as final. Still, it makes sense to explore the possible design direction shown in these AI-based visuals. According to well-known tipster Evan Blass, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is likely to arrive in 6 impressive color variants. These include black, white, silver shadow, sky blue, cobalt violet, and pink gold. Designer Michael Ma, iDesigner 3D, also released a new set of Galaxy S26 Ultra images. Unlike the AI visuals, these manually created renders look highly refined. What helped them gain attention is their layout, which follows the current design trend. On 10th, the designer produced 4 renders of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. These versions appear in violet, white, blue, and black, with a layout that highlights a distinctive camera design. The camera module displays all 4 possible colors of the device, thanks to smart composition and visual arrangement. When viewed individually, each image shows the top half in its respective color. The center section highlights the camera bump, while the bottom section presents a side view of the middle frame, where the volume buttons and power key are visible. Here we have the first official hands-on images of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra shared by Saudi Android. These images are spreading rapidly on social media because they showcase an appealing design and an elegant color option. Although Samsung has not confirmed whether these images are authentic, they provide an early glimpse of what the device could look like. The leaked visuals focus on the camera design of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Unlike recent Galaxy S Ultra models that feature separate camera rings, the Galaxy S26 Ultra seems to adopt a large and unified camera module. The 3 cameras appear to be grouped together on a slightly raised section on the back, giving the phone a more refined and contemporary appearance. This camera arrangement looks similar to the design Samsung has used in its foldable devices, such as the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Z Tri-Fold model. This indicates that Samsung may be applying a consistent design language across its premium smartphones. In addition to the camera setup, the claimed images also reveal a flat body design. The S Pen is also visible, suggesting that Samsung is continuing to include stylus support in the Ultra series in line with previous generations. It is important to note that these are only alleged hands-on images. Samsung has not officially released any information about the Galaxy S26 Ultra so far. Until the company makes a formal announcement, all details should be treated with caution. Samsung Insider Ice Universe has now shared live images of the Galaxy S26 Ultra's SIM tray. This leak confirms that the device supports dual physical SIM cards. However, availability may vary depending on region and carrier, as some markets continue to prioritize eSIM over physical SIM solutions. The appearance of 4 different SIM trays has also confirmed the primary color options for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. These include black, black shadow, white, white shadow, blue, galactical blue, and violet, ultraviolet. Among these, violet is expected to serve as the signature color for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This does not mean the other color options lack visual appeal. The hero color is typically the one Samsung highlights most heavily in its marketing and promotional materials. Meanwhile, the rumored orange colorway may be offered as an online exclusive option. According to Ice Universe, Samsung has largely finalized the design of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Recent leaks, renders, and accessory information strongly suggest that Samsung is moving away from the old floating lens approach and bringing back a unified camera island. This immediately gives the device a more solid, premium, and intentional look. Ice Universe further points out that the camera island features a clean vertical alignment for the main camera lenses, while 2 smaller rings sit separately for additional sensors. The LED flash placement appears well balanced, which helps the back design look organized rather than cluttered. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.